It's here. My mattress from Lowell is here. Look at how cute the box is. So this Lowell mattress is so cute. I like the box. So it's here. It's here. And so let's get it unboxed, and we're gonna move it into the room so it can expand. I'm so excited. So let's do this. It's a jungle out there. Get some sleep. How cute. A little booklet telling you all about the Lowell. It's like a new pair of shoes. Absolutely. I'm so excited. All right. And this is what it looks like. Can you believe that? That is a queen size mattress in this box. We're gonna open it up so it can expand.
I didn't pull it out. No.
Look at this mattress, you guys. It's all inside. It's so cool. This is what it looks like straight out the box.
I don't know, I'm looking at it.
Ooh, look at it.
Okay.
All right, you guys, so here's the mattress straight out the box and unwrapped out the plastic. We're gonna to expand completely. I'm sure these wrinkles and stuff will be so full. Amazing. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so awesome. All right, you guys, so look at the new mattress. It's almost completely expanded. As I touch it, it has a cooling. You can actually feel the mattress. It's like a cooling sensation on there. That is so cool. I never had a mattress that has that feature. So, and this bed, this mattress also, if you move around and you have a spouse that squirms at night, it's supposed to have, you know, where it controls the movement, and it's memory foam, so it pops back up and gives it back to life. You can just feel it. It has like a cooling sensation on there. You can, like, I'm not even making it up. You can legit feel the coolness on the mattress just by the touch of it. That is so awesome. Keep your body temperature cool, especially during the hotter months here in Texas. That's gonna be an awesome feature to have. I am loving it. Look how much it expanded so far. Oh gosh. Straight to your home in a box. You just literally pull it out the box and let it open up. And you have 100 nights to sleep on it, and give it a try. You would not be disappointed when I tell you. Now, I'm not sure who's gonna be the lucky winter in my home to get this beautiful mattress. So I will have a, you know, another room transformation after this, but I just wanted to have some open space to get this expanded, to see how it looks and feels without disturbing somebody else's room, because we don't really have an extra like bedroom right now. It comes with so many good instructions, all of that linked down in my description box. If you're interested in a new low mattress, you don't have to worry about going to the stores, being harassed. You just get it to your home, front door, free shipping, and 100 nights for free. That is a win-win all the way around. So I want to thank Lo once again for collaborating with me, sending this out, and I'm gonna style this area right here into a beautiful bedroom. This is technically my living space, but we're gonna create a living, a bedroom right now. I'm so excited. So this will be like if I had my own little studio apartment and all of that. So I'm gonna create this into that. Thank you, Lo. Guys, so here is the room reveal. If I had to style a room, this is what I would think. Somebody young, off to college, have their studio apartments, you know, something like that. It's so feminine, it's so girly. This is definitely giving me ideas to when I go style my daughter's, maybe her first apartment or dorm room when she goes off to college next year. Of course, minus the wine, and I'm sure she'll have Converse instead of heels. But I thought I would just take this opportunity while I was letting the low mattress expand for the 24 hours, that I would go ahead and style this into a bedroom. Look at all the little details that I just brung from around my home, and I just styled out this. So chairs are always a good idea, seating. And so a little acrylic perfume bottle and some candlesticks. And these are the pillows. How cute are these pillows right here? And I don't even have a headboard, and it's okay. I love using pillows and blankets for texture. And you can use this bench if you was low on, you know, didn't have a lot of storage. You can put baskets under the bench. You can use this as a table to display things. So I love that. I love it. And then over here, I just styled this little table out and used it as a nightstand. And you see they don't even match, but they still coordinate. Let's get this up here. So, and I just styled out some paninis and put some candles over here. And they have beads. And here's the other chair over here. So I think this turned out so good. And then over here is like a storage. You could use this trunk as storage if you were limited, and if you know, first apartment, whatever the case may be. Like, I would totally have loved this to be my first apartment, you know, if I wasn't married with kids, college days and all of that. But anyways, I thought this was just a fun impromptu kind of video, like to make up a room so I wouldn't have to disturb anybody else's room while the mattress expanding. And I just created a bed space here in my living space right here. So I just moved everything back, my couch and all that, and created a bedroom right here. Love it. Look at that. So cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to be able to style out a room. Like, this can be a guest bedroom idea. Like I said, my daughter going off to college next year, this could be something for her, you know, tweak a few things and make it her personality and all that good stuff. But this is so awesome. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are in a market for a mattress, I will link all the information down in the description box. You guys, it is well worth a try, even if you give it the 100 nights. You know, and if you are not satisfied, you can always send it back. Yet again, thank you again, Lowell, for sending the mattress out to me. I hope you enjoyed this styling video with me, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Look at these pillows, how pretty. They're all different, but it just gives, you know, vibes right here. All right, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.